This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable/remove pre-installed apps on our Android phone. So one of the methods that we can use, I have a Samsung phone, we can just hold down on the home screen and go to settings right here. And if we scroll on down, I have this option under here that says hide apps on home and app screen. So if something came pre-installed on our phone, we just don't want to see it. So a lot of these Google products will probably be on your Google phone. Your Android phone is Google based. So like Google Chrome, I never use this anymore, so I can just hide it right here, and it will no longer show up on my home screen or my app list. So let's see, it's not even on here. Nope, it's gone from the Google folder, and I don't see it anywhere on here. Or if I swipe up, it's gone from here. Now this is still going to show up on my apps list. So if I go to the top right and go to settings under here, scroll on down, and we can locate apps. So here's apps right here. We can tap this. I can find Google Chrome under here. Now another thing that we could do is tap this. If it comes pre-installed, we can go to disable right here. So we can disable the app completely, and that should remove it from the home screen and the app list as well. At any point in time we want to use it, we can just go to enable right there. So two different methods that you can go and try out if you have a Samsung or just a Google Pixel or Motorola. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.